Yo, what's going on, everyone? Kylan here. Hope you're all doing well today. And today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. A few months ago, I created a web application for a friend of mine. He does construction. He owns a construction business, and he came to me and asked me if I could create a small, basic application for him that his customers could interact with. So I created it. Uh, but today, we're just going to be fixing a few things, touch up here and there, add a couple new features. It's a very basic website, but it gets the job done. So let's jump right into it. All right. First thing we've got to do is I noticed whenever I um, pushed it the last time, this does not. Yeah, This only really goes to about 450. I'd like it to squish down a little bit more, maybe about 350. But then when you do that, you get stuff cut off and everything. So we're just gonna see what we can do to fix that today. Let's jump back over to the code. Get rid of that. All right, let's see here. I want to go to assets, CSS. All right, we're gonna jump right in here. Let's see. I'm gonna go back over here and see what. Let's see here. Section. Okay, so we're gonna want to work on this section here. Inside of this form. Okay, it looks like, just like everything, I've just made it everything flex. So, I think I can just add a simple breakpoint. So what's that? A label and then an input. So yeah, I think if I add just a simple breakpoint for this contact section, I can, yeah, I should be able to stack that. So let's find, whoops, that's not what I want. Find, whoops, contact, contact page, wrapper, section, contact section. Here we go. Okay. Alright, and then if I just do, let's see here, let's grab this. Alright, let's take it down to our media queries. Alright, let's go see what. So where should I do this at? I've got a 550 pixel breakpoint. Okay, so 550. It looks like it will be fine. Yeah, let's do it at the 550 pixel breakpoint. So let's do this. We'll go back over here. We'll add this contact section in here, and let's just add in flex direction column. Let's go back over here, refresh, and let's see here. There we go. There we go. No, it's not. Let's see. This here. This text area, and then the label. Let me see what happens if I add. So let's see. So it's going down a little bit more. how would I, my question is, how would I make that the big box responsive? I could always just change it to be like less columns. So, because I like it the way that it is now, but if I changed it so that let's see here. So let's go check out the section. So the section is quote form. Actually, yeah, let's go to the section quote form and see what's going on there. So let's find, whoops. Quote form. Alright, let's see what happens if I just remove the padding in the margin from that at the 550 pixel breakpoint. So, quote form, margin 0, and we're going to do padding 0. Alright, let's go see what happens when I do that. Alright, it looks a little bit better. Let's see. I want to make display of block. Alright, let's do this, because make I want to make a text area, to make text area responsive. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay. So if I text area max width of 95%. I don't know if I have that. Let's see. Let's inspect here. See what we got. Alright. Text area resize vertical. Let's try what we saw on there. So let's grab, actually let's see what, it has a class of description. So let's do description. Then we'll do max width 95%. Alright, and let's get back over here and we'll refresh. Still not being responsive like I want it to be. I mean, it works, but it's not like Let's see. let's do that on, yeah, let's actually do that on, let's make that 95 view width on the description area. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to just change that to view width and refresh. It does seem to be responsive at that. Yes, I like that. Okay. Because I don't have a set width on the parent container, so... Okay, perfect. Perfect, I like that. Alright, on to the next thing. And the next thing, the only other thing really that needs to be done, as far as I'm aware, we just need to add a couple more of these content pages. So I've actually got to grab those from where he sent them to me. And I think there's a change or two that he asked me to make on here as well. Like something wasn't, he hadn't done something on here. So give me a moment, let me look into that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's see here. He says that on the second siding job, which would be this one, that I put the stonework. He didn't do the stonework, he actually did the shutters and the gutters. So we're going to change that real quick. So we'll go ahead and hop back over here. So it'll be this one right here. So let's see here. Okay, and let's refresh. Okay, looks like that's fixed now. Now, we're going to let's see here. We're going to copy that, and we will paste that into there. Wait. Okay. Okay. And then okay, so images slash then we need to get the path. So I created deck underscore 1. And I'm going to do slash deck underscore project underscore 1 dot jpg, and we're going to copy that source down to here and change that to a 2. And we're going to change that to a 3. And then the rest of these carousel items do not need to exist. Is that the main? Yeah, that's the carousel. Okay, so I need to go to from this one to the last carousel item, which is this one right here. Okay, so let's check that out on the site. Make sure. What in the world did I break here? Uh-oh. That is not good. There's no images. Oh, okay, let's see here. 5. Change that. Let's see if that works. No. Not working yet. Let's see what else I messed up here. Here. Alright. Still nothing. Okay. Been a minute since I've worked with this project, so okay, hang on a sec here. Alright. Let's okay, so this is all the new stuff. This section right here, this whole section is the new stuff. So oh, that's right. I need an active class on one of the carousel items. So let's see. We'll just go with the first one. Add the active class on that, and maybe that'll fix it. Hey, there we go. But it's not the way that I want it. Why did you do that? Why have you done this to me? Carousel item. Okay, what am I missing now? This works this. Okay, so now I just need to get this stuff in line like the rest of them. So, what am I missing now? Let's see. weird. It's almost like it didn't take any styles. Um, hmm. Am I missing a class somewhere? Am I missing a class somewhere? Um, project description. Hmm. I know I've done this before. Added a couple projects. Where am I going wrong here? Project 3, section project wrapper. Project image wrapper. It's kind of weird. Let's see over here. What's the issue here? So do I have an extra? Oh, I see. Why did the description div get stuck inside of the... Yeah, that's what's happening, is the description div is inside of... But wait, no, it's not. What? So, section project 5. What? Is there an extra closing div tag somewhere? Because that goes to that. That should go to... Wait. I'm missing a closing div tag. There we go. So that goes to that one. This goes to this one. Okay. Let's see if that's fixed it. Let's go back over here, refresh, and it has. Oh, fantastic. Everything works. That works. That works. Let's make sure it's responsive. Move that out of the way. And it is responsive. Yes, there we go. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Alright, now I just got one more. I think it's one more. Yeah, it's just one more to add. So let's do that real quick. So I'm gonna grab this entire section, copy that, and we're going to paste it one more time. And we're going to change project 5 to project 6. And the only reason I haven't used a database for this is because the customer didn't want to deal with all of that extra overhead. So I told him we'll just build everything inside of the app, and if later on he'd like to expand, we can do that. But for now, it's just everything's just built inside of the app. There's no dynamic, there's no database included or anything like that. This could have been a full static website if it wasn't for the email feature I needed to add on the first page that we fixed the styles on. So, but I mean, other than that, it could have been pretty much could have been a full static HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end only static website. So we're gonna do sidewalk underscore 1 slash. Actually, I don't like the name of that image. Whoops, go away. Rename sidewalk underscore 1. Okay, let's change that like that. We're gonna do sidewalk underscore project underscore 1 dot jpg. Alright, and then we're gonna remove. Oh, that's where I screwed up. I went all the way down to this div, I think. I think that's what screwed everything up on the last one. I removed an extra div tag and it got all kinds of confused. Okay, so we're going to change this to project, not 9, 6. And then we also need to change this to project 6. Alright, and let's see how that looks. Whoops. Let's see how that looks, and let's refresh. Oh, it looks very nice, very nice. No need really for the carousel, but I'm gonna leave it there just for, just in case there's more images that need to be added. I could probably remove them, actually. Now that I'm thinking about it, let's comment out that the carousel buttons. See what happens in the code, or see what happens on the website. Yeah, there we go. There's no buttons. That still works perfectly fine. And yep, there we go. Very nice, very nice. Cool. Yeah, I like it. I'll just remove those buttons, in fact, since we don't need them. And I'll add a comment that says only one photo removed buttons. Remove buttons from this one. Okay, perfect. Okay. And as far as I know, that's basically it. So this is a short one, easy one. Thank you all for watching. If you did like, I'd enjoy it if you slapped the like on the video. And if you want to see more of this, I'm going to be uploading more content just like this. So if you want to see that, you can subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.